Friends, good morning, and you all are welcome to this Aspirants Vision Academy Nashik. And today I'm going to explain about the RBI assistant post. As you know that RBI they have issued the notification for the post of RBI assistant for the year 2026. So this is the I will tell you this is the very much golden opportunity for everybody who are interested to work in RBI as a RBI assistant. This is really very nice opportunity. You have to grab it and you have to work for that. So today's in the session, I will tell you about the examination date. I will tell you about the eligibility. I will tell you about the age limit. But before that, I will tell you when exam will when you have to apply for that. What is the start date and what is the end date for application. Number one is exam date. Here you can see what is the mode of application. See, this is purely online mode of application. Candidates are required to apply online only through the bank's website. And you can note down the bank website is www.rbi.org.in. This is the website of RBI where you can apply online. And in brief, I will tell you for filling up the online application form, it is given in para number 9 in the website that you have to see. Then candidates, you have to click on the recruitment for the post of assistant panel year 2025. This is the link there. You have to click, then you can go for filling up the application. Friends, I will tell you the important dates. Number one is application submission window. Here, when the date will start to fill up the application. The first date is February 16, 2026. After that only you can apply online. And the last date for filling up application is 8 March 2026. You have to remember the date. Last date is 8 March 2026. Then payment of examination fees. It is also again online only. And the start date is 16th of February 2026. And the last date for the making the payment is 8 March 2026. Now, if you want to modify your application, suppose there is some incorrect information you are given, and if you want to modify, then for that also the date for edit window will be notified on the bank's website in due course. So you have to go through immediately on the website. Next, there is a schedule of online preliminary examination. This is tentative. The date is not fixed, but you can assume the exam will be conducted on 11th April 2026. This is not the fixed date. This is tentative date given by the RBI. Okay, for preliminary examination. And in the same way, schedule of online main examination is also tentative. It is not fixed, but right now the date is 7th June 2026. Friends, from prelim as well as for main exam, there is a lot of time for you for preparation. So you have to work hard for preparation of this examination. There are 1 or 2 months is available for you for preliminary examination. So during this year time, you can do your study very properly, and you can refer all the study material as we are Aspirants Vision Academy is providing the material. For that, you have to refer that material. It is very, very important for this post of RBI assistant. Next, now I will tell you about the vacancies. See, these vacancies are region wide. RBI has given, but I will explain about the Maharashtra region only. Highest vacancies RBI has given for Maharashtra region. You can see on the board. See Mumbai. You can see here Mumbai. The total vacancy is allotted to 49 out of 650. The backlog is there. So highest vacancy is given by RBI to Maharashtra state only. So this is also again a good opportunity for everybody. You can grab the opportunity. You can be selected if you are doing hard work for this. Then other regions are there: Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai. For all the regions, there are various different types of vacancies they have given. Okay, friends. Next, I will tell you about the age criteria. This is very, very important. Before apply, you have to check your age. See, age should be between 20 and 28 years. It means that your age should be minimum 20 and maximum 28 years. But some relaxation is available for the other categories like SC, ST and OBC. Right? See, friends, Just look at the screen. Candidates born not earlier than 2nd February 1998 and not later than 1st February 2006. Both days inclusive are only eligible to apply. Means उसका जो बर्थ है वो इससे पहले नहीं होना चाहिए 2nd फरवरी 1998 और उसके बाद का नहीं होना चाहिए 1st फरवरी 2006. This date you have to remember very carefully before applying. But for other category, there is a relaxation is given by RBI for apply RBI assistant post. You can see here for scheduled caste category and for scheduled tribe category SC/ST, there is a relaxation in age. How much? That is 5 years. That is up to the age of 33 years. The candidate having age up to 33 years can apply for this RBI assistant post. There is another category that is other backward classes, that is OBC. For this candidate also there is a relaxation in the age, that is by 3 years. Means the candidate age is up to 31 years, he or she can apply for this RBI assistant post. Next, there is a relaxation for persons with benchmark disabilities. For them, there is relaxation of by 10 years. General and economy weaker section. 13 year OBC and 15 years for SC/ST category. This you have to remember. This is very, very important. If you are not gone through this age limit, so you will be disqualified for the examination. Okay, friends, then here you can see that candidates having work experience in Reserve Bank of India to the extent of number of years of such experience subject to maximum 3 years will be considered. Okay. Next, I will talk about the education qualification. This is as on 1st February 2026, it will be counted. And for this RBI assistant post, there is a minimum scoring mark is 50%. If any candidate scores 49.99%, this is not applicable for this RBI assistant post. That is, this 49.99% is treated as a less than 50%. Means 50% is essential. Below 50%, candidate is not at all eligible to apply for this post. Friends, now I will tell about the scheme of selection, how you will be selected and how you have to go through the examination, that I will tell you. There are 2 types of examination, that is, one is preliminary examination and that is also multiple choice exam, and another is main examination. Again, it is also multiple choice examination. See, here in prelim examination, listen very carefully, for there are 3 types of objective tests. Number 1 is English language, second one is numerical ability, and third one is reasoning ability. These are the 3 objective tests you have to go through. And for this, total number of questions is given for each test 30, 35 and 35. Total questions are 100. And total maximum marks is given again 100 marks. Means for one question 1 mark is there. Here see, for English language, total number of questions are 30 and total marks are 30. And for this, RBI has given 20 minutes to complete this test. Then for numerical ability, total questions are 35, total marks are 35, and again time is given 20 minutes. And the last test, that is objective test, is reasoning ability. And for this, total questions are 35 and maximum marks are 35. It again one question 1 mark, and the time again given is 20 minutes to complete this reasoning ability test. So overall, total questions are 100, total marks are 100, and total time is given 60 minutes. So within 60 minutes, you have to cover, you have to complete your preliminary examination. Very clear? Okay. Now I will explain about the main examination. Again, this is also multiple choice. Here, the test is in the 4 type of test. That is also again objective test. Number 1 is test of reasoning. Second one is test of English language. Third one is test of numerical ability in this mathematics. Fourth is test of general awareness. And the last is test of computer knowledge. These 5 tests are there. And for these 5, again, total questions are 200. And total marks are 200. For each test, total questions are 40. It is common for all tests. 40 marks are 40 questions are there and 40 marks are there. Means for each question there is a 1 mark. Again, total marks are for 200. And so far time is concerned, for each test there is different they have given. See, for the first test of reasoning, they have given the total time 30 minutes. So within 30 minutes you have to complete the test of reasoning. Second, test of English language. Again, this also you have to cover within 30 minutes. Third one is test of numerical ability, that is mathematics. This test also you have to cover in 30 minutes. But regarding test of general awareness, this test you have to cover in only 25 minutes. So time is very, very short. You should be very active during the test. Okay. And the last is test of computer knowledge. For this, the time is given 20 minutes. Okay. So overall total questions for main exam is total questions 200, total marks 200, and the total time is given 135 minutes. Very, 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 very competitive for each and everybody. And who is expert in time management, he can surely pass out the examination. Friends, one important point about LPT. The full form of LPT is Language Proficiency Test. This is very, very important. This is region wise. The candidate provisionally shortlisted from the online main examination will have to undergo this LPT, means Language Proficiency Test. The LPT will be conducted in the official local language of the state concerned, and it is given in Appendix 1. Candidate not proficient, just listen very carefully, this is important point. Candidate not proficient in the official or local language, he or she is disqualified. It means that that candidate should know the local language, official language. Without that, you cannot pass out the test. So this also you have to remember always. Last, I will tell you about the examination fees and intimation charges. This is also very, after all, important. See, it is as per the category wise. For SCST, PWBD and ex-servicemen, charges are intimation charges only. And amount is rupees 50 plus GST at the rate of 18%. For the student category, general, OBC and economically weaker section category candidate, application fee including intimation charges. And the total fee they have to pay rupees 450 plus GST at the rate of 18%. And for staff, it is, after all, it is nil. So, in short, this was the short lecture on RBI assistant post. And finally, I will tell you, examination is very, very important for you. Still, time is there. Prepare for that. Refer various materials available in the classes and go through all the important material. And if you are committed for yourself, you will definitely success in your examination. Thank you. And friends, the last I will tell you, you have to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.